Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share to you a tutorial on how to make a sunlight effect on Picsart. So if you want to add some sunrise light on your images or pictures, just follow the steps that I'm about to tell you. So open the Picsart app first. Okay. At the home page, just click on the plus icon to create your photo and then choose the photo that you want to edit. Okay, I'm going to edit this photo, and then I'm going to add some sunlight effect on this. Just click on the add photo here. Okay, sorry, but first I'm going to add an effect to the photo. I'm going to use this photo, but I'm going to use it only on the water. So just like so, and then click on check icon, and I'm going to add the effect by adding the sunlight effect that I've downloaded. Okay, I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to place it at the top, just like so. So there you have it. But you can also add the sunlight effect on the app. But if you want to save it first, just click on this and then click on save as JPG and click save. And to add the other effect, you can also choose the lens flare, and here you can see there is like this effect that you can use as the sunlight effect, like this, and click checks, and you can save it into your gallery. Okay, so that's it from me. That is how you can make a sunlight effect on Picsart. If you like the video, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.